Hey, this is Stormchaser here, and today I'll be showing the new Prodigy June 2021 member box. So right here, and let's open my box. So we got like crocodile, a tie-dye get-up, some water coins, a morph marble, and a potion. So let's see. So let's change the outfit to this. Okay, and we got a new buddy. Crocodile. Then our where is it? A hero resist all potion, and then we also got 100 yards, and that is for the water quest for shipwrecked shore. So that's really all that came in the new Prodigy member box. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this. And bye!